Welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I have finally packed my hospital bag और मैं आपके साथ आज शेयर करने वाली हूँ कि हॉस्पिटल बैग में क्या क्या नेसेसिटीज होनी चाहिए. I have done packing for 2 bags, one for myself and one for baby. So I'll share the details with you. The most important thing is your hospital file. So don't forget to carry hospital file. This is the first important thing. Second is the makeup pouch. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं है. The very basics, powders, lip balm, some rubbers. Doctor has suggested me a C-section delivery, so I have accordingly. I'll stay in hospital for almost 4 days. Accordingly, I have packed my bags. If yours is a normal delivery, then you just have to spend only 2 days. सो आपको इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. सो डिसाइड कीजिए आपको 2 दिन का सामान चाहिए या 4 डेज का सामान चाहिए. उसके हिसाब से पैकिंग कर दो. और 2 दिन के लिए आई थिंक ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. सो फर्स्ट वॉज माई हॉस्पिटल फाइल, सेकेंड वॉज माई मेकअप पाउच, एंड थर्ड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज वॉलेट. आई हैव आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, all documents in my wallet. And these are some Whisper sanitary napkins. Now take Colgate, some gowns. Even this is a sanitary napkin. It is actually Clovia Live Proudly sanitary napkins. It is a pant style. I'll share the review after using it. I don't have much idea, but my one friend suggested me that I have to use maternity pads after operation. I'll try to share its reviews in next video. And there is some disposable breast pads. I don't know whether it is necessary or not, but I have taken some. This is a gown, simple gown. It is a breastfeeding gown. So I found it very comfortable, very soft. I can share the link if you want. I've taken such gowns. ये मैंने 2-3 gowns ऐसे ले लिए हैं. Then some socks, inners. Then this is a feeding napkin. अभी तो कोरोना के टाइम में बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट किया है. No visitors are allowed in hospital. Only one person can accompany you, so you may not need this in hospital, but I have taken it in any emergency. It's very soft and comfortable. But this is like a feeding scarf. I don't think that I will need this in corona times, but I've already ordered it. One shrug I have kept it. Some napkins. I have kept one open gown in case of it is required. But that's it. I don't have much things in my mommy's bag. Very important things are hospital file, makeup pouch, Aadhaar card, PAN card, wallet, then some gowns, maternity pants, then inners, then feeding gown, then some medicines, and that's it. It's done, almost done. So अभी आपको ज़्यादा खर्चा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. The very basic things I have kept. Most of the things I don't know whether they will be need, that is disposable breast pants and all. But पता नहीं अभी in corona times my even husband won't be allowed to come. So I have kept all spare items with me. And this is my baby's bag, which I am very excited. So this is a soft towel. It is called pancha in Marathi. So these are very soft. So you can keep this. And these are some old baby dresses. हमारे में actually newborn baby के लिए नए कपड़े नहीं लिए जाते. And my sister has gifted me some of niece that is precious clothes. So I have made one pack. I have arranged very properly every set of pant, dress, everything. I have arranged it very properly. एंड देयर आर सम स्वेडल्स ऑल्सो विच आर ऑलरेडी यूज्ड। एक्चुअली ऐसे बोला जाता है कि नए बच्चों की स्किन बहुत डेलिकेट होती है एंड you should directly not use the new clothes. So this is the tradition, and for that reason I have kept this bag of old clothes also. Also I have a bag of new clothes. After 2 days might be I'll use this new clothes. Some napkins, some towels, bed sheets, very cute small clothes. I just love them. See, they are very soft. Again, I can share the link if you want. That's it. Some more swaddles, new swaddles. These are plastic sheets. This is the cutest swaddle I have just kept with me while carrying my baby at home. Maybe at that time I'll use it, or maybe baby इतना छोटा होगा कि इसकी ज़रूरत भी ना पड़े. But I have just kept one. Then I have kept this Himalaya baby powder, Sebamed baby lotion. These are some wet wipes of Mimi. These are pamper diapers for baby up to 0 to 3 months. Even this I think shall not be needed because newborn baby को ऐसे बोलते हैं कि diapers ना पहनो, they get rashes. But for safety precaution I have kept it for night time. Again, this is one more pancha. Then I have carried Sebamed lotion also, and this is baby's nail cutter. I don't know, but I have seen many videos and I have kept it with him. ऐसे बोलते हैं कि बच्चे लोग के नाखून की वजह से वो खुद को हार्म कर सकते हैं. So I have kept it one, and yeah, that's it. This is all I have in my as well as my baby's bag.